data will be defined and how it will be prepared and how it will interpreted for customers, and how it will be evaluated and tested for the customer intelligence. That and all you have seen in last class. So today Kargavi and team will explain the small example for business intelligence with artificial intelligence. Let's start.
If you see, Netflix is one of the biggest OTT platforms where people use in the day-to-day lives. How Netflix build is, they take quality and quantity data. Where quality is where how a user pauses or watches or what messages they take. Quantity means the addresses, the interviews they take. The main problem for the user is to choose which one of the movie they are going to watch, or it becomes very tough for a user to choose which one of the movie they use. The next topic will be very
the problem definition of the Netflix is that the users were complaining about the recommendation system of the Netflix. The users were facing many recommendation problems due to unpersonalized content recommendations. It was about not giving more content, it was about giving more personalized content. The Netflix later realized that it was the recommendation system that was going wrong with them. And the next will be.
So we can use AI for detecting the user's emotion by analyzing their moods, like happy or sad or whatever. We can suggest their genre of what movie they would like to watch, and next will be continued by Qlik. Okay, now my friends have discussed about the problem, the solution to what, or the idea which they are going to implement. So how can we develop this as a prototype is the main task. So we will be brainstorming the users, like what they require or how can they as their wish, and we need to first know what the user needs. So based on their needs, we have to develop the Netflix updates. So the main problem for the user is they have to watch movie relaxed. Instead, they have searching it for an hour and later. So the main concept here is recommendations. So first we need to develop the website as the user's requirement. The movies should be recommended on the screen based on what they have previously watched or what they have watched for a week and so on. So this is the basic idea for the Netflix to develop into a massive massive OTT platform now. So this is the solution for the Netflix, and they have now developed into a massive OTT. Like many people use only Netflix for all the for all the watching series and many other movies. So this will be concluded by my friend.
Netflix success is not just about technology; it's about how design thinking is with this. Empathizing with real users, defining the real issues, and creating content, prototyping quickly and smartly. If an enjoyable personal and quicker website like this, as a students of AI, UX and business analytics, how design thinking used in this ideas into impact just like Netflix.
So now after developing the prototype, we have to test the updates which are done by the Netflix. So what they do for testing is they select a certain number of users and give them the inputs for the testing. So based on their approaches and how much time they take to see the movie or any other content in Netflix, based on their perspective and based on their reviews, people will give us recommendations, and we can update the Netflix on based on the user's experience.